Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel while you are there. Today, I'm taking you on a whirlwind tour of one of my absolute favorite cities, New Orleans. Whether you're a foodie, a history buff, or just someone who loves to dance, this city has something for everyone. Let's dive right in. First up, the French Quarter. Nothing screams New Orleans like this historic neighborhood. Stroll down Bourbon Street and soak in all the live jazz music, vibrant nightlife, and incredible street performers. Don't forget to snap a pic at the iconic Jackson Square and check out the stunning St. Louis Cathedral. Next, let's head over to Café du Monde for a taste of their world-famous beignets. These delicious powdered sugar-covered treats are a must-try. Trust me, one bite and you'll be hooked. Now, for all you history lovers, a visit to the National World War II Museum is non-negotiable. It's one of the most comprehensive museums dedicated to World War II and offers an eye-opening experience. The exhibits are incredibly detailed and moving. Definitely a must-see. Feeling adventurous? Take a swamp tour. Get up close and personal with Louisiana's unique wildlife, including alligators, herons, and wild boars. It's an exhilarating experience that you won't soon forget. Okay, foodies, this one's for you. Head to the Garden District for some of the best dining spots in the city. Whether you're craving some classic gumbo, jambalaya, or po' boys, you'll find it here. And the architecture? Absolutely breathtaking. For a little more local flavor, don't miss the Frenchman Street. This is the place to be for live music that truly captures the spirit of New Orleans. From jazz to blues to funk, there's something here to get everyone moving. And of course, no trip to New Orleans would be complete without experiencing a traditional steamboat ride on the Mississippi River. Hop on the Steamboat Natchez for a cruise that combines stunning views, great food, and even live jazz bands. Last but definitely not least, if you're in town during Mardi Gras, consider yourself lucky. This world-famous festival is a celebration like no other. Parades, floats, beads, it's an extravaganza of color and fun. So there you have it. New Orleans is a city bursting with energy, culture, and unforgettable experiences. Check out below for top activities and attractions while you are there. Pack your bags and get ready for an adventure of a lifetime. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more travel tips and guides. Until next time, happy travels. Now.